Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, how to find the right fixed ops training company. Whether you're a small single franchise store or a multi-storefront dealer group, fixed operations training is a must. Done correctly, it's an investment that pays for itself hundredfold. So how do you choose the right trainer? They'll have these traits. They have real-world automotive experience. As a prerequisite, require that the trainer goes thoroughly through their automotive history. It will weed out people who don't have a clue with what you're facing daily. They set defined goals with you. It isn't the trainer's store, it's yours. The right fixed operations trainer spends time with upper management, the dealer principal, general manager, and fixed operations manager, to investigate the issues and to set goals. It's because implementation requires buy-in from the top down. They structure long-term plans. There are no quick fixes in the fixed operations departments. It's about developing reasonable processes that can be achieved over the long term. They work besides your team, not just talk at them. You can explain a task to someone and expect them to perform it, but to what degree of success? A great fixed operations trainer demonstrates how to do it and also explains why you need to do it. They work in the store, in the trenches, besides your team to make sure they succeed. They follow up. Regular follow-up should always be a part of the training regimen, helping to keep the team on task and focused on success. And that's the tip of the day. Sound like the fixed operations trainer you need? It's what the Center for Performance Improvement provides. Call us today at 212-763-0016 to discover how CPI can reinvigorate your parts and service departments. Thanks for watching.